Hey everyone, it's Corinne here, and today I'm going to be showing you this game that I got right now at Walmart. The 3DS game, called Mario Party, the top 100 for Nintendo 3DS. So, this game everyone has been talking about since almost 2 months ago. And everyone loves the retro minigame stuff as their favorites. For some reason, I'm gonna have to go ahead and unbox it just in this video today. Hold on a sec. Just a moment there. So here it is. And you're gonna have to open it, so yes. And here it is. And it's gonna be a bit hard to see, so and just don't worry about the instructions. So I'm gonna put this close away so come on, my goodness. Gotta close and put this box away. So this is brand new. As you can see here, it's brand new since almost 2 months ago, and it released November 10th here in the US. So I gotta go ahead and I got my 2DS. Popping into my 2DS. So this is my 2DS, so it's red with black. So I got it Saturday, December 23rd at the flea market. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. Let's start again. So let's go ahead and get started on. I gotta start this. There you go. So, hold on a minute there. Hold on, creating profile. Hold on a minute, so 100 million. Like, hold on. God. Okay, that was great. So I hope it's pretty fun. So I hope I can unlock all mini games in Adventure Island. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is Corinne breaking out.